You can't predict exactly what will happen with your finances next year. No one can. But you can plan around what's likely to happen, and that's where probability quietly shapes every good financial decision. Probability simply means thinking in terms of likely outcomes instead of certainties. Will an unexpected expense come up this year? You can't know for sure, but based on experience, it's likely something will at some point. That single shift in thinking, from "will this happen" to "how likely is this to happen," changes how you prepare for the future. This is exactly why an emergency fund makes sense, even if nothing goes wrong this month. It's not about predicting a specific crisis, it's about acknowledging that, over enough time, something unplanned is likely to occur. It's also why long-term investing leans on patience rather than certainty. No one knows what will happen in the markets next week, but based on long-term patterns, steady growth over many years is a far more likely outcome than not. Probability doesn't give you guarantees. It gives you a more realistic way to prepare. People who plan around probability tend to make calmer, more consistent financial decisions. They're not caught off guard as often because they've already accepted that uncertainty is part of the process. People who plan only around certainty, expecting things to go exactly as hoped, tend to be more easily thrown off when reality doesn't match expectations. This isn't about assuming the worst, it's about preparing sensibly for a range of likely outcomes, rather than betting everything on one specific one. At NeoRiseWay, this kind of thinking is exactly what we want to help you build: practical, grounded planning based on what's likely, not just what you hope will happen. Subscribe to NeoRiseWay for financial education and advisory guidance built around real, long-term thinking.